Hi, I'm Steve from Australian Jewellers Supplies Melbourne branch, and today I'll be talking you through the contents of the genuine Smiths Littletorch bundle pack available through AJS. This bundle pack is excellent value and will suit any beginner or professional wanting to start soldering or melting. The Oxy LPG fuel mix produced from the Littletorch will generate enough heat to solder, anneal and melt most metals, as it can reach temperatures of up to 3,480 degrees Celsius. The torch itself is made in the US, comes with 5 tips and is fitted with brass Australian fittings. Amongst the torch in this pack comes a genuine Smith magnetic torch stand that easily attaches to the torch, and the interchangeable Smiths LPG melt tip for when melting is required. The Tesuco oxygen and LPG regulators, which are also included, are Australian made, manufactured from machined brass, easily adjustable, and have easy to read pressure gauges that connect to the Littletorch with no further modifications required. In addition, gas and oxygen bottles will need to be obtained and can be leased from your local gas supply or Bunnings. Other essential consumables such as flux, solder, pickle, soldering boards, crucibles and safety gear can all be purchased through any AJS branch or through our website.